Hello, this is John, N5ID, with lesson number 2 with regards to learning CW. Lesson 1, we learned A, B, C, and D. Let's go through a quick review. A, B, C, D. Let's just send a couple of quick words. B, A, D, bad. A, D, D, add. C, A, B, cab. C-A-B, cab. All right, today, let's add E, F, G, and H. E is dit. E is dit. F, dit, da, dit. F, dit, da, dit. G, da, dit. G, H, dit, dit. H, dit. H. Now, I want you to write that down on a piece of paper. You should have your A, B, C, and D on a piece of paper. Write down E, dit, F, dit, da, dit, G, da, dit, H, dit, dit. E is dit, F is dit, da, dit, G is da, dit, H is dit. If you need to pause the video and write that down, write it down, because I think people remember better when they write letters down. So let's add some words in. Again, E is dit, F is dit, da, dit, G, and H. So let's add a few words in here for practice. We're going to add letters from yesterday and also use letters from today. And again, if I mess up on my sending, don't worry about that. I'm not perfect on sending, especially when I slow down. Well, I sent a letter I shouldn't have sent. I sent an R in there, C-A-R-E, which is care. That was cafe, C-A-F-E. C, A, F, E. Okay, let's try another word. I messed up. That was had, H-A-D. Had, H-A-D. That was ache, A-C-H-E. Ache, A-C-H-E. How many have the gift of gab? Gab, G-A-B. So today we've added E, F, G, H. We've added that with our A, B, C, D. Again, don't try to learn it too fast. Add this lesson 2 to day 2, and you'll find in 12 or 13 days you will not be a complete master of CW, but you'll know enough to get on the air. Thank you for watching the video, and God bless.